How to do Sendit on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can perform or use the Sendit on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, Sendit is basically a cool feature and a plugin for Snapchat app that is used to ask some questions and general queries. So in order to use Sendit on Snapchat, first make sure you have downloaded the Sendit app. By the way, it is available on both iOS App Store and Google Play Store. Though the official developer may not be Snapchat itself, it is by some other iconic developers or something. So just go ahead and open up the Sendit application, and if you're a first-time user, when you try to open the Sendit app, it'll ask you to log into your Snapchat account. So you have to go ahead and enter your account credentials, because if you don't log into your Snapchat account, you'll not be able to use this feature. And you can see some of the general questions that you can use. There are also simply some of the other diamond features available, which are only available for people who has a diamond membership on Sendit, but obviously we want to use the free version. So you can choose any of the questions. You can also edit the questions if you want to. You can go ahead and edit everything. You can go ahead and change any of the questions that you want to change, so depending upon your design and so on. Once you've done so, let's say that this is a question that I want to add to my Snapchat snaps. So I'll just tap on the play button over here. It'll redirect me to my Snapchat profile and my snap page, and right over here you can see this little pop-up that says choose your patriot. And over here, right over here, once you put it on the front camera, you'll be able to see your face, and you can go ahead and choose your give to Americans. I'll pick my face, and people who view the snap is also going to be able to go ahead and then reply to it. You have to keep that in mind. As long as your plugins is connected, you'll be able to see those replies as well. That's all it takes to do is send it on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.